Hey, I'm Tim, here with my son Andrew, and we're gonna make a quick and easy recipe. What you're gonna need here is some penny noodles, some garlic bread, heavy whipping cream, a little bit of Parmesan, Cajun, salt, pepper, a little bit of cheese here, and then some sausage. Pour in the pasta. All right, pour in your sausage. Okay, this guy. Yes, and then your cream. Get all that cream in there. There we go, cream. And then some Parmesan cheese. Don't be cheap. Give it some Parmesan. A lot of Parmesan. There you go. And then we're gonna give it some cheese. There we go, lots of cheese. Thicken up the sauce. And go ahead and do some pepper. Cajun. And be heavy with the Cajun. Heavy with the Cajun. And this is it. This is done. This is exactly what you want to look like. See that? Nice and creamy. And that is how you make it. This is really delicious. Look at this. Really creamy. Really good. Takes about 20-30 minutes to make. Really good. Thanks so much for watching.